You clicked on this video for a reason, to clear that massive system data storage on your Mac and finally free up space. I got you. So stick through the full video. I'll show what it actually is, how to clean it safely, and the key folders you can target right now. First, system data, formerly called Other, is where macOS stores temporary files, app caches, logs, and leftovers from updates. It builds up quietly, especially if you've used your Mac for years or installed large apps. Start with Manage Storage. Click the Apple logo arrow. About this Mac arrow. Storage arrow Manage. Delete old iOS backups, unneeded disk images, and large downloads. Those often take gigabytes and sit under System Data. Next, clear user and system caches. In Finder, press Command plus Shift plus G, type Library Caches, and delete what's inside. Then do the same for library caches. Don't delete the folders themselves, only the files inside. Third, check Application Support and Containers. These hold leftover data from uninstalled apps. Go to Library Application Support and Library Containers, sort by size, and remove anything tied to apps you no longer use. Pro tip, Open Disk Utility. Select your drive and click Run First Aid. It clears hidden system logs and refreshes file allocations that might falsely inflate system data size. Last, restart your Mac after cleaning. macOS recalculates system data on boot. You'll usually see several gigabytes instantly freed. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment about the problem and I'll help you out.